Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to update TikTok on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just tap on App Store right here on your app library or wherever you put it on your home screen. So I have it on my app library. Just tap on it. Once that's opened up, go to search at the right corner, bottom right corner, tap on it, then go to search right here and search for TikTok. Oops. Just like so. Once you're there, just find TikTok on the list of apps right here. As you can see, I have mine right here, and it says open and update. But once I click on it or tap on it, it says update. So it's like a bug. So make sure to tap on the app first so that you could see if it needs an update or not. Once you're done with that, just tap on update. And wait for it to download. It might take some time. It depends on your internet connection. But basically, once it's done, you're good to go. Just like so, and as you can see, it's now done. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.